Hello, my name is Natoshi. Welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is feeling great. I hope everyone will have a fantastic week on the chart. It is Monday today when you're looking at this video or when I post this video. So what we're gonna go through today is what has happened since the last time we were looking at BTC. We saw a perfect drop down to 25,285 and exactly what we spoke about. Market pull back up inside of the support once again at 25,825. So I'm going to show you certain levels the market can retest and what can happen against the support trend line that you can see on the chart right now and what levels we can potentially see the market coming to. When it comes to Ethereum, we're looking at the overall picture, and if you are just zooming out, you can see that we have a trend line, we have a demand zone from the weekly chart, we have a Fibonacci, which is a high and low Fibonacci, but at this time we can potentially see the market bouncing between these levels. So we're gonna dive in a little bit deeper on what can happen on here. So remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first. So let's continue to look at the chart and see what could potentially happen on BTC and Ethereum from the prices that we are right now. And today is the last day that you will be able to win yourself this Apple Watch Series 8 when you start to use Bitflex. It is a leverage trading platform for your cryptocurrencies from a 2x to 100x leverage. And when you are depositing $100 to the links in the description down below my video, you also have it right here pinned in the corner. But also remember, when you're placing your first trade with these 100, you will also have a $10 back when you're placing your first trade, as I just said. So you have the links in the description down below the video. It's almost Christmas now, so maybe you're gonna give your boyfriend and girlfriend some really good presents, and this can be one of them if you don't want to keep it yourself. So let's continue to some other things right now. And this is a video that I have for you guys where I do share a strategy how to trade in between support and resistance zones. And on cryptocurrencies, we see a lot of momentum between a support and resistance, so we can definitely take advantage of these movements that we have. But in this video that you see right behind me, you can see that I'm here talking about it right there. That's my forehead, and you have the video right here. So make sure to look at this one so you will be able to know how to trade the market when the market is a little bit stagnant and we don't have a trend, but we can still take advantage of it. Another really good video that I would recommend for you to watch is the video that I posted a couple of days ago, the best books to be a profitable trader. So I'm talking about two books, one with psychology and another one when it comes to the technicals. And these two books definitely helped me with my journey, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So if you feel stuck when it comes to the psychology or the technicals, make sure to look these two books up because they're really gonna help you. And of course, you subscribing to my channel, following what I say too, because I obviously share a lot of knowledge that I've had since I started to trade the market back in 2018-19. So make sure to look at them. I will have both of the video links down below the description, down below the video, okay? I'm gonna say the same thing 4 billion times until you get it, so you have it down below the video. Now, okay, let's start off with looking at my FX books and see what we have on USD this week. So today we don't have anything special. We have a special day today too overall. We are scrolling down a little bit, so we're looking to see if we have any high impact on the folders right here. Nothing on Tuesday. Scrolling down to Wednesday. We got a couple of things on Wednesday that will come out. It's also the first week of the month, which means that we have a lot of employment announcement that is happening from last month. Going down to Thursday, we have a lot of things happening on Thursday, and on Friday we don't have anything. So going to BTC, what's been happening last week? Candlestick, how did it look like? We were going up and down last week, so we just have to break it down to the lower time frames and see what's happening. We saw the high pushing up to 27,500. Going down to the lower time frames, what we spoke about on last video and last live stream was this fake out level down at 25,285, and we did hit that one perfectly. Perfect market pullback up inside of the support level once again at 25,825 around this level. And now going down to the lower time frames, you can see how we're still doing high highs and high lows on the lower time frames. Of course, we're still gonna use this support to see if we only drop down to retest it or if we're just gonna pull back up. If we have a bounce to the upside, we're looking at the previous resistance that we have at 26,280. If the market have the power to drop below 25,800, once again the support level, then we're looking at 25,285 once again as a target. And of course, if we're dropping down even more, we're looking at this previous level that we did retest, previous resistance zone at 24K. So right now we're just waiting to see what the market basically will do against this support. We can take a small trend line on the lower time frames, and you can see that while I am recording this, we have already retested it one time we saw the retest. So if we have a break below the level, we can consolidate for a while, but we're obviously waiting for the market to give us some lower lows or lower highs for the bearish momentum, trying to find an entry point at one of the lower high levels. So from the support down to the previous support, that is a 2.35% move, 120 pips for BTC. To the upside, what we have is around 1.70%, 80 pips. And if we have even more bullish momentum, I want to give you both the bullish and the bearish scenario. If we're breaking above this high at 26,200, 300, we're looking at this previous resistance zone around 26,700. So still going in a sideways market. We tried to break the support a couple of times, and we're just waiting for the market to give us that clear confirmation if we're going in for a long position or a short position on BTC. Continuing to see what's happening on Ethereum. If we're going to the weekly chart, we do have this drop right now, where if you're only also taking the fib from 1,150 up to the high 2,160, we have the 50 and 61.8% Fibonacci level between 1,650, 1,535. I took the precise numbers, you can see it right here, but is it around these levels? And breaking it down to the lower time frames, if we're just zooming out, this is a possible scenario that can play out, that we're just continuing to bounce in between the trend line and we also have a demand zone from the weekly chart inside of the Fibonacci level that we've been retesting and had as a support for a long time. But yeah, as I said, just zooming out, we can bounce in between these levels until the market have a clear direction to where it's going, whether that is to the upside or to the downside, because we obviously have to follow what the candlestick is going to give us against these different levels. So we're still going in some sideways markets right now when it comes to BTC and Ethereum, and we're patiently waiting for the market to give us some confirmation, whether it's to the downside or to the upside. So please give me a comment in the section down below the video. Where do you see the market on BTC and Ethereum coming to? And are you in long positions, short positions? And I hope everyone will have a fantastic week on the charts. Always remember to trade with the risk management. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, or when I do have my daily updates. And we see each other in a couple of hours on the next live stream. Okay, bye.